Hello everyone, today we will look at some backstage stuff, how we do these websites. And now I am going to show you a few websites that I have done. Here is a website for a baking master, Imara Dure. She owns a small home-based bakery and she needs a website because she always on phone and getting a lot of calls to order, but now people can come to her website, have a look at this beautiful landing page and a welcoming video like this. And then most importantly, moving forward, they can have a look at her different menu and add these products to cart and place an order online by making a payment with PayPal. And then here are wonderful testimonials here from her, a lot of different clients, and a location to her bakery where people can go and have a look. And definitely this website has been designed by Usama Web Studios. Yes, you can always click here and visit our website. If you are a baker or you know someone who needs a website which includes e-commerce functionality like this and a lot of different pages, if you see menu, about us, reviews and contact us, they can just simply contact me and I will help you out. Thank you so much.